I'm Joey.
I'm Moon.
And we're Mr. Gates. This is our fixer-upper in paradise, and we are taking you along the journey week by week as we turn it into our dream home. And while we might have to wait for permits for the big renovation phase...
Wow.
Shut up, you're kidding. That isn't stopping us from jumping into phase 1 of decorating our place and bringing the rainbow inside. We live in such a colorful, gorgeous environment now. Inspired by that, I want to do a whole rainbow palette throughout the entire house. Last episode, we showed you our color palette and asked for you to vote and choose the kickoff color of our new living room. So it's time to reveal what you chose, and you're not gonna believe what we do in our kitchen. Ah! Look at that. Whoa.
All right.
That is a sharp knife.
Should we get those bananas down?
Let's get the banana. We have banana trees. Plants? Comment below. Are they trees or plants? Grass? Anyways, we have bananas. So you're just gonna hack down that whole banana thing, right?
Yep.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What?
Why so low?
Getting the bananas.
Why are you cutting down the whole tree?
That's how you do it.
No.
What?
Whoa, he cut down the whole stalk? The whole shebang? The bananas are up there.
No, that's how it works. You're supposed to cut down the whole stalk once it fruits.
It says who?
Back up. Dr. Google.
1, 2, 3, timber.
1, 2, 3, timber!
Ah!
Our very own banana. Oh my gosh, there's a bird's nest in it.
Uh-oh. Sorry, bird.
All right, I'm gonna freeze these for smoothies. We'll rinse off the bird poop first. Hey, don't double dunk it.
We're getting some more.
You don't want to eat too much raw cake batter. All right, Moon just woke up from his nap. We're looking at the color samples on the wall. Which ones do you like the best?
I love that one. I love that one.
Yeah?
And that orange. And that orange. And that orange. And that orange. And that orange.
Okay, all those orange ones?
Yeah. Pink ones.
Then the pink ones too?
Yeah.
Is this thing on?
Welcome back, guys.
Wait, whoa, okay.
What?
No, I mean, this is huge.
Painting time.
Yeah, but what color? It was really fun to see all the comments. So many great votes, lots of opinions. You guys are all designers out there. And we love that you chose blues.
This was my vote, too, so good job. All right, so we're gonna paint this entire room. The walls, the trim, the ceiling, they're all getting painted. We are going to leave these wood paneled walls because it's kind of like a funky homage to the original 1950s design of this house. I wanted to spray this room with paint just because we're gonna basically do the entire room, but our tools are in the middle of the ocean right now.
They're on a shipping container being sent here right now.
And the hardware store didn't sell a paint sprayer, but they randomly have these things there, which are like a DIY paint roller tool where the paint actually like goes in this tube.
Whoa, you suck it up out of the can?
Exactly.
What do you mean exactly?
If this works, this is gonna be really cool, and this is a great DIY tool for you guys.
It sounds very messy.
Ooh. Maybe this should be like a new segment where we just like try out DIY tools that are out there. So let us know in the comments if there's specific tools we should try. I'm not really sure how to hold this thing. Where's the thing?
Oh no.
Come on.
And you're trying to get it out and you have to like twist the thing.
Oh. Ooh, this paint is nice. Oh my God, I could paint this room in literally 20 minutes.
We'll see. We've got that amazing giant picture window that lets in so much light. You can see the ocean on the other side of it, and now our house is getting to be just as colorful.
color turned out amazing. It's like such a cool reflection of the colors of the ocean. You ready to see it?
Living room is this room, which is, I mean, it's attached because these doors just open up so wide, which I love. These are like these old school, oh, squeaky. But this room, I'm thinking this is a perfect like office space, but also combo playroom. So I'm thinking we put like a desk in here for Joey and I, and then have that area for Moon's toys. He loves playing on this carpeting. I haven't had wall-to-wall carpeting in so long, and it's really cozy, so it's actually kind of making me want to do wall-to-wall carpeting when we finally renovate. So this room, and going with our like blocks of color in every room, since it's basically attached but also its own thing, I think we should go green. This green that we've chosen for the office is just gonna be such a beautiful extension of the blue that's in the living room. It's a wonderful color to be around while you're working or playing. And yeah, we just gotta get it painted. Oh, there's so much to paint. Oh, hello, welcome to the hallway. Yeah, we have a window inside in our hallway and some more odd choices made here in this house. At first, I really disliked it, but now that we're choosing the color palette, I kind of love that you can see it from the main living space. So come see what color I have planned for the hallway. Happy yellow. I've chosen yellow for the hallways because it is the center of the house. It's where all the other rooms are connected. And this shade is not like too in your face little kid primary yellow. It's got like a more sophisticated feel to it. Okay, so I'm so happy with how the living room looks blue, but you know, I need to work the pink story in somewhere. My hair isn't as pink anymore, so I gotta get it on my cabinets. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so pretty. This is honestly a personal dream come true for me to have a pink kitchen. We're gonna take these off, obviously prime them, paint them. It's gonna look great with our wallpaper. So that's one of our new wallpapers that's coming out. I love it. It's called watercolor stained glass. But let's talk about the elephant in the room, which are these granite countertops. Definitely probably early 2000s was when they put these in. You could either leave them, because maybe when we paint it pink in here and put up the wallpaper, they'll just take on a new life and we won't mind the kind of warm tones in them. Or we could hone them, which is sanding them down and making them like more matte finish. Very in design right now to have matte finish countertops. Or we could do like an epoxy on them that's actually painting them and obviously sealing them with epoxy and totally changing the color scheme entirely, like marble vibes or something. So lots of options, but now we've got to paint some cabinets, guys. Let's do it. Joey went on a mission to our neighbor's house who has a bunch of tools. Does he have a paint sprayer?
So happy. My neck was so sore after that DIY roller situation, which I'll give that roller like a 8 out of 10 for walls, 4 out of 10 for ceilings.
Oh my God.
I got a paint sprayer for the cabinets.
Yay, neighbors!
Make a floor plan of your kitchen and draw numbers for each cabinet in that kitchen, and then write that number on the back of the cabinet face and cover that with a piece of tape, so that when you paint, you don't paint over the number. That way you know where the cabinets and drawer fronts all go back. To paint these cabinets, I'm actually gonna hang them because I'm spraying them. So I'm using 2 little eye hooks on the bottom of the cabinet. So I flip them upside down, I put 2 little eye hooks, and I've strung a piece of string across, and I just hook it on.
Because we don't need the finish on these cabinets to last for years, we're not being too precious about sanding them down first and all of that. We're just using a nice quality primer to spray on first, which will also lighten up our base. And then we are using a sprayer with our chosen pink color to go over top. Probably gonna do 2 coats of that, but it'll give us a nice even finish. Okay, so...
Can you give me a hand, Dole?
Oh, Oh gosh, the dad jokes. So these handles from our cabinets
are super gross.
They're so gross. It's crazy how like rusty they are. I didn't know that stainless steel could rust. I thought the whole point of it was that it couldn't. But I guess apparently when you live in this humid of an environment, the humidity wins. We thought rather than get new ones, because again, you guys know we're trying to do all of this phase 1 decorating of the old house in a very budget-friendly way. So rather than getting all new handles, we're going to DIY them. Obviously, spray paint, super easy. We could just change out the colors, but I thought let's do something a little more fun. Why don't we like tape little pieces on the handles, kind of a la terrazzo vibes, like little triangles and stuff, and then spray paint over it. I'm flying by the seat of my pants here, guys. Never done this before, but these are my favorite kinds of DIYs. Because it's suspenseful.
You gotta do that. This much little taping with.
Yeah.
Moon, get those little hands out here.
I have way too many spray paints to play with, but I'm doing a layering effect on these handles. So I'm starting with like a matte, lighter color. Then I'm using this clay texture spray paint, which just gives it a little bit of a stone-like effect, but not so rough for when we're actually handling them all the time. And then we're finishing off with an enamel spray paint, and this one's super shiny and kind of thick and gives it that like sheen, like we like, I don't know, have like a polished little piece of clay on our wall. Now comes the moment of truth. It's time to peel off the little pieces of tape. Is this gonna look cool? Total terrazzo vibe. That's so fun. Yay, I love when a DIY experiment works out.
That turned out really cool.
I think so. I mean, for all that it cost us like 3 cans of spray paint.
Yeah, and the pink looks really good. It's like, I don't even think it's a pink, it's like a,
Oh.
It's a pink.
I think it's a pink. Okay, so we gotta get the wallpaper on the walls, and then the countertops, I was thinking we'd do something to them, but now that everything is pink, I don't mind them as much. However, I do not like the fridge.
Yeah.
I think we should spray paint it.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
I'm down to spray paint the fridge. Better than wallpapering it.
Oh, okay, great.
But also,
What?
You're gonna be so excited.
What?
You guys are gonna be so excited.
What?
Our shipping container is on the truck. I just got a text message. It's on its way. It's gonna be here any second.
Our furniture!
Our furniture's here!
Oh no, we got it unlocked, but we can't get it open. I mean, it is kind of like on a downward slope. I mean, this must happen a lot, right?